Hey, my name is Pat Kittredge, Product Marketing Manager for Middle Atlantic Products, here to talk to you about our new Forward family of accessories and options. Forward family is all about speed for installation and servicing. This is our Bgr Series Enclosure. It's our #1 AV enclosure. It's the first enclosure in the Middle Atlantic family to become forward compatible. You can see here we have a rack rail that now includes a square hole, which allows us to easily install blank panels, vent panels, and cable management without using any hardware, no rack screws. We also have our UPS base. Installing a UPS can be very difficult, two-person job, very heavy. Now, coming out of the factory, the UPS base pre-installed, plop the rack on top, and you're ready to back up your equipment. Another innovation, utility lighting. We know everyone's holding flashlights in their mouth, cell phones in their hand, trying to see what's going on in the back of the rack when it's installed in a dark closet. Now, as soon as you open the door using an IR sensor, the lights come on automatically. Within the Middle Atlantic's Forward family of accessories, we also have some vertical cable management, and then the lighting you saw. And this utilizes the Bgr's rack rail brackets that allow lever lock to work, our small device mounting plate. Using the slots that lever lock utilizes, we now have the functionality to drop in our cable management. We have some wire grid lace, cable management with our universal hole pattern, and then the light all drops in, all for speed. Small devices, we've all mounted them, either using duct tape, Velcro, bubble gum, zip ties. Now, in the Forward family, we have small device mounting clamps. You simply install it onto our patented universal hole pattern, pop, twist, push, device is secured. You can trim the size if you want, or leave it for future use. D-rings for your horizontal cable management, also using the patented universal hole pattern. Now you can have your cables running horizontally, secured in there. We also have C-rings for vertical cable management. Holds the cables in nice and neat as you're running vertically. Forward family is now available, and you can find it at middleatlantic.com.